Why is it important to making sure that you do open houses in this marketplace? Now, a lot of the buyers or sellers, and sometimes even the buyer's agent or the seller's agent, are not doing open houses, right? Seller might feel it makes no difference. Actually, it does. If you got the right agent to do what we call a mega open house, advertise before, do about 30, 40 open house signs, knock on the doors of the neighbors, call the round robin, send postcards, advertise online, market the property. That's what we call a mega open house, is making sure that it is done properly. And you could get attraction from that, right? Even if nobody shows up, guess what? You got more eyes on the property than you had before. It's important that you pick the right expert in your industry. If you guys have any questions, please do give us a call. You'll get the links below. We could help you with that too as well. Your real estate experts, 𝗲𝗲𝗱𝗀 at eXp Realty.